The encounter of Kthunae. The encounter starts to form thyroid in a place ideal to serve Kthunaeos. The other elements of Upsi were as unobserved in his focus on her and the sight of Bahlas Thesios. Reminiscent of a maiden's league of old, most will be against her queenship of earth, and who was the spirit of something beastly known to come. Distracted from the task of changing, failure is turned to an offering. Attractant and chosen for extracting by union, the ceremony of recalling opens the Nexian by the received and marks a presencing. Now, whether Anton Long is David Myatt or not, we have a link to the National Socialism stuff. But it's more in its function and its meaning than really anything else. We have sort of a hint at Nostradamus in this story. We have parallels that I've drawn to the Greek character, Upsipula, and the Byre and the Chthonian entities. Hypsipyle is how most people would say it. So I'm not, by bringing this up, saying that, I mentioned Nostradamus, right? I'm not, by bringing this up, saying that you have to be of racial and nationalistic prejudice, or you have to be a socialist to be in the Order of Nine Angles. Very often, what's going on with some of this stuff is that they're using the movement, you could say. And to repeat our introduction to this three-part bit, participate in your chosen stories. Participate on levels beyond identities. Plans are your own, as are the conceptions of localities.